In this video, we are going to see how we can fix the error that says error_address_unreachable in Google Chrome. So if you are getting this kind of error, what you can do is you can try a couple of options. So first of all, just try turning off the VPN. How we can do that? It's very simple. Just go to the start menu and right here, VPN. Just go to the VPN settings and make sure to turn both of them off. And after that, just close out of here and just try to attempt to log on to the web page that you were previously unable to do. Something else what you can do here is just go to the start menu and right here CMD, right click and run it as administrator, click yes. And here we just type in a simple command that is ipconfig. Just don't give a space in ipconfig and after that give a space /flush DNS. This should also be one word without any spaces. Hit enter and it will show you this. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And now you want to write this one. Net sh, give a space and right here winsock. Give a space again and right here reset. Hit enter and it will show you this. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So let's quickly restart this and then I'll show you the further process. So once we are logged in again after the restart of computer, if your problem is resolved, that's good. Otherwise, what you can do as well is just go to the Google Chrome and just clear the cache of Google Chrome. So to clear the cache, just go to the three dots and click on delete browsing data. And make sure that even if you don't want to delete the browsing history, we need to clear the cache. So make sure that cookies and other sites data and the most important one is cached image files is selected. Click on delete data. Make sure that's what you want to do. And also just click on delete browsing data again to make sure that time range should be selected to all time. So in that way only the cached images or files will be deleted. And that should solve the problem. Just comment down below if that works for you and I will see you in the next one.